Hi, buddy. Are you 1 month today? Do you have the hiccups? Oh my gosh. You're so big. You're so big. Can you say hi to your grandma and grandpa? Can you say hi to your grandma and grandpa? Are you gonna smile? Are you gonna smile? Are you gonna smile? Are you gonna smile? Little smirk. A little smirk, huh? Let's get a close-up of that little face. It's so cute. Those cheeks are getting chunky, huh?